Welcome to another edition of English Makes No Sense and another pronunciation pair request. That's hard to say, pronunciation pair request. Try that. Okay, what are the words, Sarah? Get to it. I'm getting there. The first word is Q-U-O-T-E. Quote. Quote. The Q and the U go qua. Qua. Try it. Qua. Quote. What's a quote? A quote is a reference to what you said. May I quote you on that? May I refer to what you said? Or you could get a quote, an estimate. Could I get a quote on how much the car repairs are going to be? May I get an estimate on how much the car repair is going to be? Quote. Quote. We do air quotes all the time. Quote. Then C-O-A-T is pronounced coat. Coat. Now, the O and the A make a long O. They're like a team. Oh, that's what I said. Oh. The C is a hard C. And the O-A makes a long O. Coat. And the T, well, you know, coat. What's a coat? You know what a coat is. I'm going to wear my coat to the outside. You could coat a desk in new paint or varnish to cover it up, to coat it. You know, and they have ads that, ooh, the medicine coats your throat. It covers the inside of your throat. Coat. Coat is a verb. Coat is a noun. No way. Way. And quote. Let's review. Quote, quote, and coat. Why does English make everything oh so tricky and fun at the same time? I don't know, but now you can read and pronounce this sentence, I hope. Bill wanted a quote on the price of a new coat of paint. What? Come on, English. Can you make a sentence with one of these? Or do you have a pronunciation request? You do? Leave it in the comments. Can I quote you? Peace, friends.